We're going to break down Corbin Burnes' fastball. I'm going to call it a cut fastball. I don't know what he would call it. StatCast just has it a fastball, but this particular pitch was a 96-mile-an-hour fastball like you saw up in the zone strikeout against Goldschmidt. But for the pitch, just to break it down, you'll see that his fingers are pretty wide apart, which is interesting to me because usually with high spinning fastballs, you'll see that fingers are closer together. See at ball release that all he's doing with that is he's keeping everything the same. He's just creating more energy on the right side of the baseball. So he's creating that axis by just pulling down on that seam. He's almost preset that grip. You'll see that these crevices, you can get really comfortable with your fastball grip just by putting the seam inside that crevice. So when you come through, all you have to do is just feel that seam and pull down on it to where you can create cutting axis, if you will, that Corbin Burnes creates in this fastball.